Two popular analytics platforms. One big question: which one should you choose for your website in 2025? On the left, Plausible Analytics, privacy first, lightweight reporting. And on the right, Databox, powerful, data-driven, business dashboards. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. Each category stacks up points, and by the end, you'll see crystal clear results. The winner might just surprise you. First up, let's get a quick peek at the battleground, right? Here's our mind map. We're looking at price, privacy and data ownership, features and analytics, integrations and ecosystem, usability and setup, and collaboration and team management. That's the big picture. So keep these in mind as we roll through. All right, let's talk money first, because who doesn't care about price? So, Plausible starts at $9 a month for 10,000 page views. And honestly, you get unlimited websites in that mix, which is pretty sweet, especially if you've got a couple of side projects. Plus, their pricing, it's super transparent. No sneaky fees, no weird upsells, just a simple slider and boom, you know what you'll pay. But I gotta say, if you're running a huge site, that price tag can climb quickly. Oh, and there's no free plan after the trial. Now, Databox, it does have a free tier, which, yeah, very appealing for folks just wanting to try things out. And their plans scale up, so different business sizes get options. But be careful, those advanced features cost extra, and the pricing feels kinda fuzzy sometimes. Honestly, I like Plausible's clarity better, so Plausible sneaks the win here. Now, for all you privacy lovers, and who isn't these days, let's talk privacy and data ownership. Plausible is like your privacy bodyguard. They don't grab personal info by default. You actually own your data, and, bonus, it's all GDPR compliant and even cookieless. Honestly, that's rare. Sure, you lose out on some integrations because they're so strict, but that's the price of privacy, right? Databox is definitely secure. Encrypted connections and compliance tools are there, but, you know, you're hosted with them. So technically, your data lives on their servers, which is a little less private. You get me? So again, Plausible scores top marks on privacy. Let's slide into the next one, features and analytics. Plausible keeps it easy, just the core stuff, like page views, bounce rates, custom events, think downloads, clicks, all that. Their script is super lightweight, which is nice for your site speed. But if you want deep dives or fancy business intelligence tools, yeah, not happening. Now, Databox, right out of the gate, custom dashboards. You connect up like 70 different sources: Google Analytics, HubSpot, Salesforce, and a ton more. You want to track your KPIs, forecast goals, it's all here. The downside? The UI can feel like an alien spaceship when you start. And honestly, there's so much going on, it might be overkill if you want something simple. But for features, Databox runs away with this category. Oh, and here's something cool I bet a lot of you didn't know. Plausible is open source. You can even self-host it for ultimate control. Not a lot of analytic services give you that kind of power. Up next is integrations and ecosystem. Plausible kinda plays it chill here. You get automated Slack or email reports, which is handy, but when it comes to third-party apps, it's like, where are you? So, limited integrations. Databox, though, wow. This thing plugs into almost every business app imaginable. Reporting, automated triggers, workflows. If you want to nerd out and connect everything, Databox is your playground. Just know there's a bit of setup time you'll need to invest. Databox totally wins this round. Time for usability and setup. Plausible is basically a minimalist's dream. You swap in their script and boom, you're live. The UI is ridiculously clean, like Marie Kondo would approve. It's near frictionless, honestly. But if you want deep customizations, not much there. Databox is a different beast. Super flexible dashboards, lots to tweak and tune. But, fair warning, it's a steeper learning curve, especially if you're new to analytics. So, Plausible is definitely easier and wins here for pure usability. Last but not least, collaboration and team management. And honestly, both do well here. On Plausible, you can invite unlimited team members on any plan, which is great for agencies and small teams. The controls are pretty basic though. Databox steps it up with shared dashboards, permissions, and actual client reporting tools. But some of those team features are locked behind higher plans. Honestly, both get points here. It's pretty much a tie for teamwork. Let's get a quick visual check. Here's the radar chart. It shows just how Plausible and Databox trade punches in each category. You'll notice Plausible shines in pricing, privacy, and usability, while Databox dominates integrations and analytics, right? Kinda neat to see the strengths side by side. So where does that leave us? If you want simple, private, and fast analytics, especially if your website is all about protecting user data, go Plausible. But if business dashboards, tons of integrations, and big picture analytics get you excited, Databox is legit awesome. They both have their quirks, but honestly, you gotta pick what fits your vibe. If you want more wild comparisons, maybe with emojis in every line, hit follow, because there's way more where this came from.